Alright, so months later, this is an update video of the, I guess you could say a upgrade video and an update video. These are some of the upgrades I did and the updates from my previous video over the summer of when we had our lightning strike that took out pretty much everything. We have an all new built rack here. I don't know if I showed this or not, but brand new receiver, Onkyo TX-NR575. It's a 7.1 channel. We got two front channel speakers, left and right. They are JBLs, which I got at a yard sale. Beautiful condition. They're pretty much mint. I believe they're two 6-inch woofers in each one. I got those for $5 at a yard sale for the pair. We got a center channel Polk audio. Used to be white. I repainted it because it was very stained looking. And then we have two Tapco 69 series 18-inch subwoofers. A pair of those. I got those at a yard sale for $25-30 bucks. Those actually, the cabinets were completely destroyed, and after about 2 days of priming and fixing, patching all of it and sanding it down, the cabinet came out a lot better. The coating on it was very, very bad, and then it was chipping apart in each corner, so I did the best I could to fix them up, and I'll tell you what, did a really good job for what they were. I'll include the picture of what they looked like before and some of the process, but besides for that, then we got the two rear channels over here, JBL Control 23s. I had two of these also on the front. You could see the ball mount brackets up there, what they used to be. I took those down only because it wasn't, you know, the sound was good, but it wasn't as full sounding as I would like them to be. And then I ran across those at a yard sale. So, in fact, I'll take the grate off. You can see the, it's exactly the same on the other side. They're perfect condition. No issues with them at all. Loud, clean sounding. I got those running directly off the receiver, which I believe is something like 120 watts per channel. That's continuous, not peak. But anyway, as far as the outdoor system stayed okay. I did fix some of that though and clean it up. Rack mount mixer there. The EQ is for the subwoofers in here. I really don't use the EQ that much. A lot of times I just bypass it. Then we got CD player, CD changer. We got a new Xbox One S. Here we have the, I had this before, which is the surge protector. This thing didn't do much of anything for the lightning strike, obviously because it came in through the coax line. But we have a main UPS and surge protector here. This is a battery backup, and I have it kind of split off to run, you know, the delicate stuff, such as the mixers, the receiver, TV, Xbox, the cable box, and then the drive rack. All the power amplifiers for the rest of the stuff, which is the outdoor patio, the outdoor back speakers. We have transducers under the couch. I put two under the couch back there. That helps out tremendously with certain things. And then this is just sitting as a spare right now. But pretty much that's about it as far as that. I will say though, I used to have four JBL Control SB2 subwoofers. Two on each side. They were 10-inch woofers. They were bandpass loaded. They did not, you know, they sounded excellent for what they were, but once I was introduced to these, the 18-inch, I fell in love with those immediately, with the low, clean sound, the punch of them. Obviously because, you know, they're a lot higher rated for outdoor use or larger areas, but, you know, I threw these in here and I have them set for about half power. I don't feed them that much in here. Those are being bridged off of this amplifier down here that I got offline for about $15 also. Mint condition, not one issue with it. Although this thing is a beast, it actually, when I turn that on, it triggers that into thinking there is a brownout. Switches over to battery temporarily for about 3 or 5 seconds. even though the voltage is usually around 120, which is normal. Go figure. Anyway, I'll give you a little demo of how it sounds now, which is absolutely phenomenal. Keep in mind any clipping or distortion is coming from the microphone itself. I'm not going to do a full volume system test. That would be absolutely stupid to do over YouTube. But here we go. I'm going to turn it up, so any clipping, again, is from the microphone, not from the system itself. I have this limited for max volume at 80. It does go up to 120, though.